What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Here's your boy again this morning, David, live from IFX. This morning I'm here to talk about four major currency pair. I'm here to talk about USD, Canadian dollar. I'm here to talk about Euro, USD, Great Britain Pound, USD, and Gold, USD as well. So from what I can see this morning, just like I've been saying for months now, that USD is trying to find a stability. To me, I believe USD has found a stability. So let's start from Canadian dollar, USD. USD, Canadian dollar, right here, USD is trying to USD has really pulled some strength for more than 2 weeks now concerning Canadian dollar, USD. Canadian dollar is trying to gain the momentum and reverse the market, which is a very good thing, So at least Canadian dollar is pushing it up, bringing it down, showing USD that, hey, I'm the one in charge in North America right now, not you. You get it? But it's okay. USD is USD, kind of a thing. So as I'm looking at the whole thing right now, USD is still busy doing its own thing, but Canadian dollar is holding USD at a very, very, light resistance patch. Canadian dollar want to reverse the market. And Canadian dollar has been trying this since Friday, so this to me is like a kind of issue for USD. But should we look at the market as the market is trending right now, we will definitely find a downtrend momentum for the market. But a kind of, the market is trying to form another uptrending, another uptrending momentum again right now. That this is what the market is trying to find. It's trying to find another uptrending momentum again, which is doing right now, which is a very, very good thing as well. And I believe because it has crossed some kind of line here that really showed us that USD is breaking out to a new momentum. You get it? It wants to form another new uptrending pattern. You get it? So I'm not against that. Canadian dollar is going to fight. Canadian dollar is definitely going to fight, but it might not really be much. You get it? So it's definitely going to form another uptrending kind of a trend. Kind of a reversal is definitely going to form a kind of another uptrending reversal and it will keep going up. You get it? So this is for Canadian dollar, USD. But should we look at the support or the resistance or all this kind of stuff, then we're definitely going to see that, Canadian dollar still stand a better chance of winning. You get it? Canadian dollar still stand a better chance of reversal because I could see some tightening, candlestick. I could see some tightening candlesticks here that proves that Canadian dollar wants to take the momentum from US dollar. You get it? Which is still okay as well to me. So should you look at it? I believe today is Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. So should you look at it? This candle was formed. This first candle that I'm at in, that my mouth is at, was formed on Friday. You get it? So Monday, look at it. It gives, it shows a kind of reversal pattern. It shows a kind of war between Canadian dollar, USD. Canadian dollar was able to hold USD to a point. You get it? And USD is still trying to bring the market down. Take the market up, but Canadian dollar is holding it because Canadian dollar right now is strong as well. You get it? So USD, Canadian dollar are at war. This is what I could call it. You get it? Right now in the market. On Tuesday, it forms another pin bar reversal. You get it? So that was yesterday's stroke this early morning. And the Canadian dollar is still fighting with USD. Now, hey man, you know what? You ain't going nowhere, man. I'm the one in charge here. You don't come to the market and rule me like you rule others. This is one thing I love about the Canadian dollar. It's okay. But, it's still holding USD to some kind of little ransom. And I like that as well, Today, again, USD was supposed to break free and move. But Canadian dollar is still holding it. So this means, should I want to trade right now, I'm not trading USD Canadian dollar at the moment, but should I want to trade, I'm gonna trade it at sell. I'm definitely gonna trade it at sell. You get it? But the sell might not really actualize this week. You get it? But I don't see USD going up in this place. That is concerning Canadian dollar. You get it? So that is one. And another thing is this. Let's go to other currency pair. Let's go to other currency pair. Or let me just say this before I continue. Let me say this. Canadian dollar will reverse, but it won't be much. It will definitely reverse, but it won't be much, bam, 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 like that. It won't be much, but it will definitely fight USD back down. You get it? Because at this very momentum of strength, Canadian dollar is not joking. So let's leave Canadian dollar now and go to other currency pair. Now this is Euro USD. Should we watch it since last week? US dollar has really dominated the market here in the Euro USD. US dollar is really moving. It has broken some support. It has broken many resistance. It's coming down. The crusade is coming down. When it comes to Canadian dollar, when it comes to USD, Euro USD right now, US dollar is on fire. You get it? So US dollar is really, when it comes to Europe right now, US dollar is on fire. It's really knocking things out in Europe right now, against Swiss francs, against the euro, against Great Britain pound. US dollar is really, dominating the market. It's really proving itself, which is very, very good. So in this place now, though I'm in this market as we speak, so I'm in this market and everybody knows how I trade, but if you don't know, I'm at the sell of this market's momentum right now. So I'm selling and it's working. You get it? So here's what it is. When you look at it, when you look at a swinging pattern of the market, you're definitely going to know that this market, USD, is really going to fight it a little bit for like maybe 1 or 2 more weeks. You get it? So when USD fight it for at least, let's just say minimum of like 1 week or to 1.5 weeks, when US dollar fight this, you get it? It's going to come down a little bit, then it's going to reverse back to the favor of euro. This is what I see. This is what I see. You get it? So USD will push it down, but I don't really see it pushing down that much. You get it? But USD right now is still in charge, and to me, from this kind of strength that I could see, USD might maximum last in this very trend for 2 weeks, 2 more weeks. It's possible. You get it? So to all the USD trader, hail to you guys, man. So I'm trading USD at the moment. So to all my fellow traders that are trading USD as well, man, I salute. You get it? So this is really fun. You understand? This is really fun. When you trade and your trade accuracy is like 75%, 80%, 100%. Man, you'll be there, drop dead. Happy within yourself that at least you're making a positivity. So which I very much love. So concerning USD, Euro USD, man, USD, it's really in charge of the market for more than 1 week now. So let's just count it from here: Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So since last week Tuesday, USD has formed a reversal pattern. The confirmation of the USD reversal was made last week Wednesday. You get it? So this is the confirmation candle that I'm at the moment, this bearish candle at the moment, that's the confirmation reversal candle. So USD is really proving itself. You get it? It's really proving itself that it's going down. You get it? On Thursday, on Wednesday to open a candle on Thursday, Euro was trying to fight against USD, but on Friday, USD make another solidify reversal candle. You get it? So if it would, me, this is what I did. I came to this Euro USD market on Wednesday early morning. You get it? So I never knew. I know the market is going down. I know USD is going to take a momentum, but I never knew it would be this fast. You get it? So I never knew it would be this fast, but it's definitely reversing. According to my price action calculation, it's definitely reversing, and this is a very good thing. You get it? So it's reversing, it's a good thing. Just give it to Euro USD, so right now, yesterday was a sweet bang trade. Just look at this candle. Look at this wonderful bearish candle. Look at it. It breaks out like this. Do you know in the forex market, just only one candle can make you a billionaire? You understand? With a little cash, just only one candle can make you a billionaire in the forex market. This is what is happening in the in the forex capital market. You get it? So it's so sweet sometimes. So look at this now. Another candle came and it's open. It opens, which is today, the Wednesday candle, and it's really pushing down. This is Euro USD, just like I said. So it's really making wave, and I like that. I'm in the market, I'm trading it, and salute to you guys that are trading it as well. So let's go to other currency pair. So this is Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD, US dollar is still trying to balance its momentum. I told you guys yesterday that should US dollar get to this point, 129.39, that when US dollar get to this point, go watch my video that I did yesterday, that once US dollar get to this point of 129.26, that US dollar is definitely, that is going to reverse. But if it did not reverse, if it was able to break this very trend, then it's coming more down. It has formed another reversal, another reversal pole of downtrend. But from what I can see here, and according to price action statistics, it means US dollar at this very point that it is, when it comes to Great Britain pound, it's definitely going to bounce back up. You get it? It's definitely going to bounce back up. I've traded this market. I've been in this market since last week. I've traded this market up to this very extent. I closed it last night. You get it? So this new candle that is forming today is trying to confirm. It's trying to make a solidified confirmation. So which I am waiting as well for. You get it? Which I'm waiting for the confirmation, because today's candle and tomorrow morning's candle would determine a lot of things. So for Great Britain Pound USD, I'm not trading right now. You get it? That is for Great Britain Pound USD. Please understand. So, it's trying to confirm that the market is definitely going to reverse, which is it. Yesterday on Euro USD, there was a very strong bearish candle, and here in Great Britain Pound USD as well, there is a very strong bearish candle as well, which makes it very sweet. But the one that opens this morning is trying to confirm, is trying to solidify a confirmation. You get it? That is on Great Britain Pound USD. So which is very interesting. So Great Britain Pound USD, salute to you guys that trade. But let's go to another currency. So I'm coming. This is gold USD. When it comes to gold, USD just, try to slow things down a little bit, because man, forget it, man, gold is straight up crazy. You get it? Gold is straight up crazy. When you want to trade gold, you don't use the same price action that you use for the 7 major currency pair. You don't use it for gold, because gold has its own price action statistics and calculation. It's just like stock. It's just like bonds, stock, indexes, commodities, and all these things. All of them have their own different kind of price action calculation. So you don't use the same price action that you use for gold and go use it in the stock market. It's different. You get it? So as it is like this, gold is trying to drag USD that, hey man, you know what? You ain't going nowhere. So because right now, as I'm talking to you, I've not really have a clear price action forecast for gold. But from what I can see from my own experience statistics, I'll definitely tell you that gold is definitely going to reverse USD. USD is still trying to fight and break out of this. USD might really come down a little bit, but it's not really certain that USD has the real strong balls win this market as we speak. So as it is like this, to me, left to me, I would say, man, gold USD, definitely, if I'm going for any market right now, I'm not going to go for gold USD. You get it? So I'm definitely going to go, right now when it comes to gold USD, I'm waiting. I need confirmation. I could see some kind of a little bit reversal. I could see some a little bit reversal candles, but they're not really solid enough to tell me that I should go, trade this direction and trade this direction. So for now, I'm not trading gold for now. You get it? So that is, I'm not trading gold USD. That's what I mean, please. Try to understand me. I'm not trading gold USD. So as it is like this is what I could say for this morning. This is what I could tell you guys. This is what I've forecasted. This is what I've been trading. And please like, share, subscribe on my channel. I'll really appreciate it. Please, if you have any question, please, you could just throw it to me. You could give me a call on Skype at IFX. Just give me a call on Skype. I'll definitely answer you. Or you could drop it in the comment section. Or you could as well. Just please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel. And definitely, please click the notification button. And I'll very much appreciate it as well if you could add me on all of our social media pages. Please, be it Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I'll definitely appreciate it. So everyone, for this morning, I'll say thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks everybody, for not just making money but for trying to prove that you could separate greed from you making money. You could separate greed and anger from you balancing from you taking what rightfully belongs to you. Because when it comes to the forex market, 95% of the people that trade are greedy. You get it? Very few are not greedy. You get it? But what really kills in the forex market is greed. You get it? So everyone, this is what I'll say. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good one. God bless. Trade safe and trade wise. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good one.